Some people freaked out about the crazy swings in the crypto market earlier this week. Maybe that was you. It's the biggest liquidation since FTX, and I covered this in a recent update for subscribers of my newsletter, Crypto's Easy. It's normal stuff, and I'll tell you why in this snippet. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody that you know, and if you want the full update, see the link in the description below. If you look at this chart, when's the last time we had 10% moves from peak to bottom? Well, we had one in the 3-day period that is about to end. 9% just at the end of last month, 11% in the middle of January. This candle alone was about 10%. This one back here, 12%. That was at the end of December. So I just showed you what that's 4 times within a 3-day period where we've gone to see the market swing up and down 10% within a 3-day period. So I mean, look, it's crazy, right? These swings, they seem like it's a wild thing, but they don't necessarily signal anything substantively. And as long as the estimated leverage ratio remains high, and it is coming down a little bit here, but it's still pretty high, then you can expect more of this kind of thing. Because this an estimated leverage ratio just shows how much speculating traders are doing relative to the amount of Bitcoins available on exchanges to settle those trades. And it's the highest really since you'd have to go back 2 years, more than 2 years before you get comparable levels. So yeah, it's coming down a little bit, but it's still elevated. The proof is in the pudding. You can see the results. Boom. Massive liquidation. Does that reset the market, as some people are saying? Not really, not yet. This is the ASOPR. This is like a barometer for sentiment. And when you get to the 1 level, that's like a healthy equilibrium between buyers and sellers. Reset the market. You can interpret when people say that, they really should be looking at the ASOPR. It looks at the balance of buyers and sellers. And when that hits 1, that's when you've reset the market. And we're still above. Came close, not quite. We're still way above. We're up here. Once it goes back to the 1, then I think you can say, now we've settled. We kind of, whatever the shakeout that we needed was finished in the shakeout, and now we're back at equilibrium. Bottom line is, it's all more of the same. Don't read too much into the pumps and dumps.